back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to do the Heartbreak Anniversary TikTok trend. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do is the jig. So basically it's this move, which might look like a little bit hard to learn in general, but the only thing we have to do is just do like a small circle, and then we're gonna stop here and we're gonna go back. So basically it's gonna look like this. One, just like that. So we're gonna do it once, and then they say match you, so basically our hand just goes forward, just like that, and then we're gonna do it to the other side. And our fingers, we're just gonna move them a lot, and then we're gonna do like a small wave. So, if you don't know how to do the wave, I'm gonna explain it really quick. You're gonna start with your head, then go like this, then bend your back, and you're gonna bend your legs. And then we're gonna do it all together. One. Once again, one. Perfect. And now with our hands, it's gonna look like this. One. So, from the very beginning, we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. So after this, we're gonna cross our arms, we're gonna put them on our shoulders, we're gonna uncross them, and basically we're gonna really quick bend our back, just like that, and our hands go down. So 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna snap our fingers. So 1, 2, 3, and then snap. So after the snap, what we're gonna do is our hands are gonna go to the sides, and then we're gonna go like this. So we're gonna put them on our shoulders, and then they say it's cold outside, so we're gonna go like this. 1, 2, as if we were really cold. Just like that. So let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross and cross. 2, snap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So after this, we're gonna do the fake walk. So basically, we have to make it look as if we were walking. So we're gonna film from here, maybe a little bit higher, and it has to look as if we were actually walking on one place. So how I like to do it is I just bend one leg, then straighten both of them, and then bend the other. And it actually looks like I'm walking when I actually film the TikTok. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, and then we have to twist, like just move our legs so that it looks we're walking to the other side. So we're gonna go twice to one side and then to the other side. Just like that. I know it looks weird, but when you actually film the TikTok, it looks like you're walking, so don't worry. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. So let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, 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 walk. And now from here, we're gonna do the same walk, but slow, as if we were walking in slow-mo. Just like that. And then at one point, you're gonna hear when there are gonna be 3 beats. So we're just gonna stop and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna tilt to the sides 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So after this, we're gonna do the same thing we did before, but this time we're gonna do it in slow-mo. So basically we're just gonna go really, really slow, and then we're gonna walk twice, and then we're gonna walk slow and show the time. So right now it might look really difficult to understand, but once we do it from the beginning a few times, you're gonna understand everything and remember everything. So let's do it from the beginning. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Snap. And 1, 2, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Slow. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, slow, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. What we're gonna do now is our right elbow goes to the side, and then our hand goes up. So 1, and then with the other elbow, the same thing. 2, just like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. Now we're gonna show with our fingers forward towards the camera, and then to ourselves. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. Now we're gonna do the helicopter. And then, by the way, if you don't know how to do the helicopter, I do have a tutorial on my channel. It's really detailed. So if you want to learn how to do it after this video, then you should totally check it out. So, helicopter. Then we're gonna step back, and our hand just does like a circle forward, just like that. And then we're gonna do the dice roll. And that's it. That's the whole dance. So, once again, from this part, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now let's do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna go slow, then fast, and we're done. So first, let's go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Snap. And 1, 2, 1, 2. Walk, walk, slow. 1, 2, 3. 1. Walk, walk. Show the time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2. Helicopter. Back. Dice roll. That's it. And now the same thing but faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And snap. And 1, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Slow. 1, 2, 3. 1. Walk, walk. Shoulder time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Helicopter. Back. Dice roll. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!